Hi kids, how are you dears? I hope you are all safe. Children, our situation is very bad. COVID 19 spreading everywhere in our surroundings. So be careful. Don't go outside, okay? Okay, children. Today we are going to discuss a new lesson. Unit 2 Paper Boards. All are welcome to today's English class. Children, did you see the textbook page number 36 that I posted above? What do you see in that picture? Yes, there are many columns with capital letters and small letters, isn't it? Yes. Then you color the columns with capital letters in blue. Then color the columns with small letters in brown. Okay, color the columns with capital letters in blue, then color the columns with small letters in brown. Then, what do you find here? Yes, we got a paper boat, isn't it? Yes, we got a paper boat. Children, do you know how to make a paper boat? How to make a paper boat? Do you know? Some may know how to make paper boat, isn't it? Okay. Did you make a paper boat and let it float in the water? Did you make a paper boat and let it float in the water? Yes, I do it. Let's see how to make a paper boat. Let's see how to make a paper boat. A paper boat. This is a sheet of paper with rectangular shape. First, I fold it like this. Then again fold it like this. And both sides are fold like this. Then
Gayatri.
then again fold like this. Then we got this shape. Then now our paper boat is ready. Kids, do you like this boat? Do you like this boat? Yes. Can you name the boat? Can you name the boat? Please give your own name. Then say something about your boat. Please give your own name to that boat and something say about your boat. Say something about your boat. How to describe this boat? Yes, this is a beautiful boat. This is a small boat. This is a yellow color boat. I made this by paper. This is a beautiful boat. This is a small boat. I made this by paper. This is a yellow color boat. Now, let's read the story about paper boat. Now, let's read the story about paper boat. Children, now let's read down the story about paper boat. Take your textbook, page number 37. There is a picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, there is a stream. Stream means Arivi. Who are there in the picture? Yes, a boy and a girl. A boy and a girl. Okay. What is the girl doing? What is the girl doing? Yes, she is placing a paper boat. Isn't it? Yes, she is placing a paper boat in the river. She is placing a paper boat in the river. What is the boy doing? Yes, he is walking towards the girl. What is the boy doing? He is walking towards the girl. Children, now I read the paragraph on textbook, page number 37. Down the stream. Anna gently walked towards the stream of muddy rainwater. She bent a little and launched a paper boat. It sailed down the stream swiftly and proudly. She went on placing a number of paper boats in the stream. She was delighted. Suddenly, something horrible happened. Once again, I read the passage. Anna gently walked towards the stream of muddy rainwater. Anna gently walked towards the stream of muddy rainwater. Muddy rainwater means kalangiya malavellam. Muddy means covered with mud. Anna gently means in a gentle way, savagasham. Gently walked towards the stream of muddy rain water. കലങ്ങിയ മഴവെള്ളം നിറഞ്ഞ അരുവിയിലേക്ക് അന്ന സാവധാനത്തിൽ നടന്നു. She bent a little and launched a paper boat. She bent means bowed, കുനിഞ്ഞു. And launched a paper boat. Launched means to put a boat into the water. വെള്ളത്തിലേക്ക് ബോട്ട് ഇറക്കി. It sailed down the stream swiftly and proudly. It sailed down the stream swiftly and proudly. Proudly means അഭിമാനത്തോടുകൂടി. Sailed means began a journey in the water. നീന്തി തുഴഞ്ഞു. It sailed down the stream swiftly and proudly. അത് വേഗത്തിലും അഭിമാനത്തോടും അരുവിയിലൂടെ നീന്തിപ്പോയി. She went on placing a number of paper boats in the stream. She went on placing a number of paper boats in the stream. She went on. Went on means continued. തുടർന്നു. She went on placing a number of paper boats. A number of paper boats means more than one. So many paper boats are there. She went on placing a number of paper boats in the stream. She was delighted. Delighted means pleased, ആഹ്ലാദിച്ചു. Suddenly something horrible happened. Children, you have any idea? What could be the horrible thing? You have any idea? Okay. You just think and write on your notebook. Okay. You just think and write on your notebook. Once again, I read the passage. Down the stream. Anna gently walked towards the stream of muddy rainwater. She bent a little and launched a paper boat. It sailed down the stream swiftly and proudly. She went on placing a number of paper boats in the stream. She was delighted. Suddenly something horrible happened. Children, today's task is following. First one, write down the paragraph. Your textbook page number 37. Down the stream on your English notebook. Second one, to make a paper boat. Third one, the following new words are write down on your English copybook 5 times each. The following new words are write down on your English copybook 5 times each. The words are gently, in a gentle way. Muddy, covered with mud. Bent, bowed. Launched, to put a boat into the water. Sailed, began a journey on the water. Went on, continued. Delighted, pleased. Horrible, feel shocked or feared. Okay, then your fourth task is color the picture and describe it. What do you see in the picture? Yes, the river is flowing. 3 paper boats are sailing. One boat is sailing smoothly. Another one is stopped. A stone blocked its travel. There are small plants and flowers on the bank. Okay, children, you should draw and color the picture and describe it. Okay, you know how to write description. In last class, I taught you how to write a description. Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Hope you understood. Today's English class is winding up. Thank you and goodbye until you see in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.